Welcome back to Study Hat, and in today's video we're going to be talking about subordinate clauses. So what is a subordinate clause? A subordinate clause is part of a sentence which doesn't make much sense on its own, but it can add more detail. A subordinate clause doesn't express a complete thought. So let's look at an example next. So if I can find the shop is an example of a sentence fragment. On its own, it means nothing, and this is a subordinate clause. However, if we change the sentence to, if I can find the shop, we can buy the shoes. Now that sentence has real meaning. We've got the subordinate clause before the comma, and then the remainder of the sentence to give more meaning on the end. So let's look at another example of a subordinate clause. As John walked through the tall grass, so again that's just a sentence fragment and it means nothing, right? But it is a subordinate clause, right? So if we extend that to a full sentence that has meaning, we have as John walked through the tall grass, his feet were becoming damp. Again, the sentence now is complete and we've got something with meaning. So where should a subordinate clause be? So in the previous examples, the subordinate clause was at the beginning of the sentence, followed by a comma. So we can see here below, as John walked through the tall grass, comma, his feet were becoming damp. But it's also good to be aware that a subordinate clause can also be at the end of a sentence. And what you may also notice is in the example below, there is no comma. So Ruth left work early because she wasn't feeling well. A subordinate clause will start with either a subordinate conjunction, for example, because, or a relative pronoun. Now at some point we'll do another video on this to go into a bit more detail, but for now, let's just accept that because is a subordinate conjunction. So as with all things, there are some more considerations and some rules that help guide us, but we can save that for another video, as I say. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@studyhat.com.
This is Study Hat. Learning for life.